So, um, all the footage I got from my vlog, day one, has no audio. All my super awesome, mega, pristine, top of the line footage sucks. So, just gonna voice over everything.
Day one of the vlog. Using my GoPro and the little three-way, I think it's called, thingamajig. On my way to get some stuff for my car for my body kit, and I also need to pick up a mic because Shadow, there's no mic. Why are you attacking me?
Best Buy, the root of all evil. Also my favorite store in the whole wide world. Chinchilla mod number 2. Alright, so I hope this sounds like pretty awesome. I'm pretty sure you guys could see the dead cat being a dead cat on top of my GoPro now. I'll have to figure that out later, but hopefully it sounds sweet. Even better, I'll have to look at it. And now, off to McFadden's. Alright, so this is the part where it stopped recording audio. And I was like, oh man, this probably sounds super awesome. My exhaust sounds awesome. Nope. Silent. Completely silent. Alright, so this is my buddy, Ryan. He's showing me this sweet Nemo sticker right there. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna start a sticker bomb collection. Whoa, who's that? Is that Thrash Boss? Oh, he's like, hi Miguel. Hi Miguel. Hi Miguel. Hi Miguel. I was like, so Ethan, show me your sweet Snap-on toolbox. He's like, this is my sweet Snap-on toolbox. Freaking awesome. And I was like, alright, show me more, man. This seems, you caught my attention here. He's like, yeah, I'll get this thing out of the way here. This is my favorite drawer. Got all my power tools, got some flashlights. Also, I have some weird flashlight addiction. See, this is a flashlight. That's a flashlight. I got bright flashlights. I got dim flashlights. I got intimate flashlights. I got all the flashlights. You name it, I got it. Flashlight. Look at that. Flashlight. I don't even know what that is. Flashlight. I don't care. It probably has a flashlight in it. Oh, my shirt. And then I was like, oh, what's next? And he's like, have you ever heard of something called a socket? And I'm like, well, yeah. And he's like, I got black sockets. I got shiny sockets. I got deep sockets. I got shallow sockets. I got all the sockets, man. And I was like, whoa. Surprising me, dude. And he's like, yeah, I got some stuff here too. I don't know what that is. I'm just going to ignore it. I have some sweet stuff in here, but I'm not going to show you because I don't want to. So this is my secret locker. I got some hammers right here to hammer stuff. I got some stuff up here. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I got some gloves right here. I got a sweet lug nut drawer because everybody needs a lug nut drawer, obviously. I got some alignment stuff right here and then some battery charging stuff here. And yeah, that's all the stuff I'm going to show you. Oh, except for this sweet fabrication drawer. Oh yeah, you didn't see that one coming, did you? And I was like, hey Ethan, how much is this box? And he's like, more than you could afford, pal. And I was like, whoa, well, I'm sorry. And then, yeah, I totally let him fly my drone, and he had no idea what he was doing, and he was like, what the heck is this thing? Oh my god, it's going everywhere, it's going wild. And I was like, dude, you're gonna chop someone's face off. He's like, nah, trust me, dude, I'll be fine. I'll totally fly this out of sight, totally professionally. And I was like, all right, dude, go ahead. And that was the last time I saw my drone. It's kind of sad. I didn't even get to recover the footage. What a sad day it was. Just kidding. He totally brought it back. So that was that day. Sucks I didn't get any audio. This would have been a lot cooler instead of hearing my boring voice the whole time. Almost got my face chopped off. Kind of cool. But